OpenAI has released their all-new ChatGPT Work, which is a direct answer to Claude Cowork. I created this beautiful daily dashboard using ChatGPT Work that goes through my emails, calendar, tasks, and organizes the day for me, all running in the cloud and gives me a polished website that also updates automatically. I'll link the full prompt in the description for you to use as well. Everything about ChatGPT Work and then how to build your own personal dashboard step by step in this video. Let's get started. Let me first show you where ChatGPT Work lives. In the ChatGPT website, you can see the prominent tabs Chat and Work. Chat, this is for regular questions that you ask to ChatGPT, like write me an email, when is the next FIFA match, all those general questions. The Work tab, this is where you ask the AI to do the work for you. For example, in Work, I can say, look through my sponsorship emails, find the agreed amount and deadline for every campaign, match them with invoices in Drive, put them in an Excel file, and create a payment tracker website. Instead of only explaining the steps, it can actually perform through the steps and create the finished spreadsheet, document, presentation, report, or site. All this may take hours to do, but ChatGPT Work can run in the cloud for hours together and finish the job when you come back. I've already shown you where ChatGPT Work lives in the ChatGPT website, but you can also use Work on ChatGPT mobile app as well as the desktop app. On your phone, tap the drop down at the top and switch from Chat to Work. Work started from mobile or web runs on OpenAI's cloud computers. Your phone is basically the remote control. You can start the job, leave the app, and come back to review the progress. It does not need to keep your phone screen awake. In the new ChatGPT desktop app, Work can also use local files and apps on Mac or Windows computer when you give permission. Work becomes much more useful when you connect the places where your information already lives. Open the plugins directory and connect Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. You may also see many more tools like Slack, Teams, SharePoint, and you can even connect your finances and bank accounts to perform a full financial analysis on the cloud. Connect the ones that you like. Connecting Gmail does not mean ChatGPT can secretly send random emails. Permissions decide what it can read and what needs approval. Okay, now you know what Work is, what it can do, how it can read your emails and documents. We have almost everything to build our personal dashboard. One more important feature to show you before we start building. Let's talk about sites, my favorite feature to be announced, which is currently in public beta. Sites lets ChatGPT turn its work into an interactive website or lightweight web app. You can make a project tracker, launch calendar, client portal, report, or in this case, a daily dashboard. The best part, once we create a website using ChatGPT, this sites feature will automatically publish the website, which we can access from anywhere, hosted and maintained by OpenAI. It just simply gives you URL, works nicely on a phone, and it can be shared with your team or publicly. Before we go on, a big thanks to Xero for sponsoring this part of the video. Quick refresher, Xero is cloud-based accounting software that runs the money side of your business, money in, money out, and what you owe when tax season shows up. And this is especially helpful for small businesses like me, freelancers, creators, Etsy shops, photographers, tutors, or anyone with a side hustle. It's built for exactly that kind of messy one-person operation. Xero sends automatic invoice reminders. You can set the rule once, and if a client hasn't paid, Xero politely nudges them on its own. And for taxes, you can invite your accountant straight into Xero. They see everything that they need in real time without me emailing a mountain of spreadsheets back and forth. Everything is already categorized and is right there in one place, so your Aprils are going to be free. And that offer is still running 90% off for 6 months when you use my link in the description. Terms and conditions apply. 6 months at that price is basically unreal, and the time it saves you is very real. Link is in the description, do check it out. Let me show you exactly how I set mine up. First, I connected Gmail, Calendar, and Drive. Then I opened Work and pasted one detailed prompt. The whole prompt is linked in the description. All you need to do is download that prompt and then share that prompt file to ChatGPT Work and hit enter. The prompt tells ChatGPT to check today and the next 7 days on my calendar. It looks for new and unread emails that needs reply. It ignores newsletters and promotions unless something is genuinely urgent. Then it checks drives for files related to today's meetings, current projects, deadlines, and emails that need action. After collecting everything, it creates 7 simple sections: a daily summary, today's schedule, important emails, tasks, upcoming deadlines, files that I may need, and a suggested plan for the day. Then the same prompt says, create a mobile-friendly site called My Daily Dashboard if it does not exist. If it already exists, update the exact site, keep the URL, and do not make another one. Finally, here is where I make it a real daily dashboard. It says to run the complete workflow every day at 8 a.m. in my local time, refresh the site, and notify me when it is done. The best part is, unlike Claude Cowork, my tasks and automation can run even if the machine is off. So basically what happens here is, ChatGPT Work will read my emails, my calendar, my Google Drive, fetch all the relevant and important information for my day, create beautiful sections, and make a high-end website and publish it. Then it'll keep doing this and update the website every single day at 8 a.m. when my day starts. All I need to do is just visit the website every morning and my whole day is already organized and ready to tackle. So, what does it cost? Work access depends on your plan and where you use it. Free users get limited work on the desktop. Go plan users includes scheduled tasks, but sites is not included. Plus is the practical starting point for this exact dashboard because it includes expanded work across desktop, web, and mobile, scheduled tasks, and sites. And that is ChatGPT Work. My daily dashboard is just one example, but you could use the same idea for sponsorship tracking, trip planning, meeting preparation, job application, school planning, or a weekly family command center. I'll catch you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye-bye.